This is on-call technician, and we are going to repair through ATV speaker. This is 2.1, and the model number is Sbs 2.1 350. Now guys, we're going to test. Okay, there is it. I plug in the audio jack to the MP3 player, and I'm going to on, and let's look what's gonna happen, guys. Okay, there is it. Okay, I will test. Okay, no sounds coming from the speaker even you short it. Okay, there is it. Power off, and I'm going to check. Okay, I'm going to face it to the camera, the rear part of the speaker, and here is it, the power supply, and it is weighted 10 volts. We're going to check it by voltage checking, guys. Set your kilometer to 50 VCD AC, not DC. Okay, since the unit is, the power supply is only 10 VCD, oh no, not DC, it's mean AC. Okay, let's set the kilometer to 50 AC volts, and as you notice, guys, the gray color is my positive and the blue one is my negative. So I'm going to put inside. There is it. That is the positive side, and I'm going to on the unit and stand by my negative probe. I'm going to touch the negative side of the power supply, and there it's go up to, okay, it says 11 to 10. Now I'm going to check the mini PCB printed board wherein the switch, it's there, as well as the potentiometer. Okay, there is it. Okay, I'm going to bypass, guys, that kind of potentiometer, because here in my place it's not available. This is what available here. It is a 6-pin potentiometer. So since this is my personal creative speaker, I'm going to make it easier for me to repair by bypassing the defective one. Okay, I'm going to splice this one. I'm going to take the 3-wire. I don't have a blade cutter right me, so I'm using a Gillette. Okay, there is it. I'm going to peel it, guys. Okay, there is it. I'm going to peeling the ground. Okay, that is the ground, and the insulated one is, there is 2 wire. The positive, oh no, not positive, the insulated is white and red. I'm going to peel that also, and later we're going to check if there is a continuity. By the way, this is an audio jack. Okay, I'm going to set my kilometer 2 times 1K. Okay, and let's see. I hope the camera will capture the deflection. Okay, there is it. I'm going to check first for the negative. No, it's not negative, it's the ground. Okay, there. I'm going to pull the test rod to the ground, into the ground of the audio jack. There, it has continuity. So okay, take a look, guys. Okay, and I'm going to check the wire also. And this is stereo, guys, stereo. Okay, one line there. I got it. Okay, there is a connection. How about the white one? I'm going to check also the white. And there is it. Okay, hopefully the camera will capture it. Okay, there is no problem with the audio jack. Guys, I'm going to pull the wire going to the amplifier. Inside that amplifier is a subwoofer. Okay, I'm not going into it because the issue of this speaker is a loose connection before. I've been using this for 18 years. I bought this in South Korea when I was working there, and I brought it home to the Philippines, and now I'm here in Brunei. I took it here, and here I'm going to repair because I love the quality of this sound produced. Later, guys, I'm gonna check. We will check. It's still working. Okay, I'm done. I'm going to set aside the ground wire. There is it. And as you notice, I have a yellow, I have a green wire, and a yellow wire. Okay, the green is my line, and the ground is my second line. Okay, I'm going to bypass. This is the diagram I got in the internet. Okay, so let's join them together. Okay, that is the soldering base and soldering lid. Okay. Here's my potentiometer, the yellow one. I'm going to, okay, it's the blue one, middle, okay, the blue, I welded it to the middle, okay, and the audio jack to the left side. Okay, there is it, guys. It's done. And I'm going to join both the ground wire. Okay, and later I'm also going to weld the right side of the potentiometer terminals. Okay, I'm going to take both of them. There is it. there, I'm going to short both the terminal, the upper and the lower part. And I'm going to insulate them. I don't have a tube, spaghetti tubing here, so I'm going to use electrical tape in replace of spaghetti tubing. We call it spaghetti tubing in the Philippines. Then just apply heat and it's done. Now I'm working with the PCB. Okay. The connector. Oh, the green one is almost sink. Oh, no more. So I'm going to check the continuity, and I'm going to make a chamfer on it because the 6 pin in the terminal, the space is tiny. I'm going to weld it there. Maybe I got a reading, a shorter reading to the other terminal, so I put it there. Okay, the terminal of the switch. I'm going to weld it there. There, that's my line. Okay, this is how you bypass, guys. Okay, there is it. It's done. By the way, this video is set to ×4 speed. Okay, so that the viewers won't be bored while watching it. Wow. There it is, guys. Now I'm going to weld it. Okay, I'm going to use the there. Okay, to the upper part, I'm going to join it also. Okay. So don't worry. And it's done. Okay. There. I'm going to chamfer it also. I'm going to chamfer my ground wire and connect it to the printed board. I'm going to retain the board because the switch and the LED is there. Okay, and let's see what's gonna look like. If it is ugly, or is it tolerable? Tolerable. Okay. Okay, there is it, guys. Okay, connected my line 2, which is the black color, and my line 1 is the green one. Okay, I'm going to test that one. First, I'm going to protect my circuit. Once again, I don't have a spaghetti tubing here. Okay, I'm going to put inside there. Bring back the cover. Going to screw it up. By the way, there is only one shop here, and if you want replacement, go to Alibaba, order it online. Okay, there is it, guys.